Okay guys, we can see from all that messing around, I was trying to kind of get like an abstract type arty shot. It proved quite difficult in the end. But what I did is I tried a few different things. I even tried some ICM, you know, moving the camera up and down. Not kind of sure how they've come out. I've got the sun in my eyes here. But I think the ones I quite like were I focused just on the tips of this lavender here and the blue and the yellow. I think they kind of worked out okay. But until we kind of get back into the computer, it's job to tell really. I did put an ND filter on, a 3-stop ND filter, just to kind of get a slow shuts being some blurred effect. So we'll see. You know, it doesn't matter at the end of the day. It's all good fun, just clicking away. So the wife's made a cup of tea now, so I'm going to sit back, drink a cup of tea. Catch you in a bit. Guys, well, got this salvia here, and when the light hits it, it's like a really sort of fluorescent blue, and up against the, yeah, it's got like a real fluorescent blue to it, and when the backdrop of the Berberis, which is kind of like a purple. It looks really nice. Yeah, sure. I mean, really, I'd like to get the tripod down. It's so low. I can't get it down. This is like that. Taking the centre column out. Let's try again. Okay. Right. Okay, so we got the. Handheld malarkey. That's good. That's really nice. It's a lovely kind of blue, say against the backdrop there. Yeah, it looks nice. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, guys. Well, what I'm trying to do now is I've got my 50mm on, trusty 50mm. I'm just trying to get some photos of some bees. But they're really quick. I'm trying to get it so I'm not got my shadow in the picture as well, because I've got sun behind me, so it's quite difficult. I wish a little light would stay still for a minute. Not like the bumblebees, like the bigger bees. I don't. These are like, I guess they're little like honeybees. They're darting all over the shop. So as soon as you get your focus point, they're gone. I do love bees. Really do need to look after our bees. They're just the best. They are so beautiful. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the video from the back garden. A couple of things really. One, just to kind of say that even though it's bright sunshine, you know, you can get out with your camera and still have a bit of fun. You know, don't have to be restricted to like the golden hour, sunrise, sunset, all that kind of thing. And yeah, I mean, I was kind of inspired really. I've just sat there having me lunch, and you know, I thought, well, there's a lot going on here. You know, with the plants and the bees and the birds and everything. So I thought I'd give it a go. So I've tried a few different things. So remember back there I tried getting those different colours, kind of making it look a bit... Hay fever's a bummer, isn't it? Anyways, yeah, trying to get a kind of like painterly, arty kind of effects. Did try a bit of ICM on that, see what that came out like. Some of the other plants over there I went in a bit close to try and get kind of like an abstract kind of feel to it. Because some of the plants are quite architectural really when you look up them close. It's like the lupins, you know, with the, like the little, I don't know what you call them, like the buds kind of coming up. The bees love them, the lupins. And talking of the bees, try to get some photos of the bees. Hopefully got a bit of video of the starlings film as well. So all in all, I think, you know, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. It'll be something a little bit different anyhow. But yeah, so with that, I'm just going to sort of say thanks for watching, thanks for listening, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.